uh, February 24th. It's been probably a couple of weeks since we've been up here. For most of you who are in the family and friends, you know that Courtney's been in the hospital. She had a surgery that she had to get under her belt. But start of a new day. We got to get this footing cleared off. It has rained a little bit. There's some mud that has leaked onto it, but get our story poles set up, get some block laid out, get this thing going. That course done. I did have to build it up on this end. For some reason it was low, but it's using up a lot of the mortar, so we'll just continue. I know it's a little low on that end, so I will have to cut it, but I made a purchase. I've already tried it once to finish that row. There it is. Not sponsored, but it's Vever. Does a good job so far. I've only made one cut on it though. But yeah, we'll get some more mud mixed. Continue. block work for the main part of the house is done. I have the vent openings, crawl space opening. The only thing I have left to do is there's a little side room that has a block foundation. It's, I think, 8 by 12, but it's over in the corner over there. I do have 4 piers left to lay the block for, but basically done with the main part of the house. Block work. I have concrete on order. I have rebar to put in the cells, combs, whatever you want to call them. And yeah, next step, finish up the block work. Shouldn't take too long, maybe a couple of days once I get everything set up. Yeah, moving right along. I just got a delivery this morning, and it's time to start framing. So we did get the foundation done. It was a long process. We had to wait quite a while, rain, weather, all that good stuff, cold. But yeah, let's get this sill plate down. Get some floor joists on. Let me show you. The bolt must have sunk in concrete, because when I go to put the nut on, it won't catch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a larger drill bit, drill this hole out a little bit, just enough to get some threads started. We should be good to go. So this board's warped. I don't know if you can see that really well, but right in there. All I'm going to do is take my hammer, squeeze, pull that while I ratchet it down. How to pull it back into. Call it a day. I did get the Sill plate all around the outside. The only thing left to do is to get it on these piers. I'm sure you can hear the wind. It's blowing about 20 miles an hour. Every time I set up a tripod, it'd fall over. I tried to get what I could. Yeah, another day in the books. Progress.